Okay, there we go. Morning. We just keep climbing, keep moving higher. So, see what today gives us. It's a nose news Monday. We have bigger news coming this week, so we'll see if we get any volatility or if it's a little choppy. We have the interest rate decision on Wednesday. Tuesday has a bunch of pre-market news. Thursday has some good news. Jobless claims, economic indicators. Friday's pretty light. Market opens in 5 minutes. Leo, stop. Oh, oh. Let's see what we get here. 1 minute. Pumping above pre-market high so far. Give this first 5-minute candle a little, some time, see how we do. I believe these are all-time highs for both of these now. So I'm just gonna be cautious. I guess I could pull up a higher time frame, so I'm not trying to zoom out infinity. On the 8-hour, does appear that we are at all-time highs. I do believe that's the case for ES as well. So it is something to be aware of, something to be maybe careful with. It's a no news Monday at all-time highs, so maybe we do just get a nice trend upwards and it's a nice easy day. That would be great, right? But there's also the potential for that not to be the case and for us to have some chop, especially with FOMC interest rate decision coming on Wednesday. I would expect maybe volume to be a little lower Monday, Tuesday as we head into that event. That would kind of make sense, but anything can happen. I don't claim to predict or know exactly what the market's going to do. It feels as though that would be a logical thing. Now I'm looking at the volume and comparing it, but that's not accurate because these are new contracts. Contracts just rolled over on futures, so disregard any sort of volume anomalies that you have looking at previous days. See, we have our 5-minute here on excuse me, this is ES that we're watching on the 5-minute. Pushes up, pushing back down. We'll see how it closes, but that's certainly maybe indicative of a little chop rather than a nice uptrending day. I know what I was hinting at. And we have NQ heading back down as well. We'll see how it does around this pre-market high in the 13 EMA, but NQ's looking a little stronger. I might change what I'm listening to. I don't feel like these are great lo-fi covers of Mac Miller. I feel like it's almost disrespecting his original music. Like those lo-fi remixes weren't very good. In fact, I just prefer to listen to the original. I may have lost it. I think I did. My Discover Weekly last week was really, really good. Hopefully it got the hint though, and it keeps feeding me that type of music because there's just heat. Alright, that 5 minute looks good on NQ. We'll look to see how we are, see if we get a pullback and kind of see how that looks. Yes, got a weird close right at pre-market high, didn't close above it. So NQ is definitely stronger of the two at the moment. Honestly, I want to see a higher high, and then I want to see a pullback. If we can't break this high, and we just immediately pull back, I feel less confident about it. If we get a pullback right here, I might wait. Might go ahead and just wait and just see. The fact that we have like a close here, open and close lower, close slightly higher, open and start to move lower, and the wicks, the highs of these candles haven't been able to break this high point. We weren't able to close above this. I want to see higher highs, higher lows, which would require higher high. I know we just made that, it's the first 5 minute candle of the day, but on the 2 minute it would be nice to see at least. And it's looking pretty good at the moment. That looks very good. Odd. We'll see how it closes. Okay, it's looking nice and strong. Just need a entry at this point. It is cranking. We'll see. See if we get an in tray. Nice 30, 40 points would be fantastic.
Drive our old Camry wagon down to the shoreline, stumble out our afternoons, and I'll wake up slowly to the smell of the coffee from the kitchen. I was enjoying my view, reading the news, so it'll be alright.
Some odd upper wicks on these candles makes me feel a little less secure about this.
Said you'd been there before, like a hotel mirror. Yeah, you've seen it all. Girl, we can be strangers sometimes. You and I, yeah, we've been through it all. So it's only natural to cry, promising never leave. On me you will always rely. The whole world is burning up inside. I'm taking a step out from my comfort zone. Hope it works out. I hope then you'll know everything I do is out of my control. Before I start crawling back into my comfort zone. Time, won't you bring her back? I'm going out of my head, yeah. Just wondering.
Let's pull him back to the AMAC. I'm a little skeptical because these don't give a lot of confidence. That 5 minutes a little questionable. ES is already slurping down. It's kind of sucking, pulling back below that pre-market high. So NQ has relative strength. I think we have to give it a go because it's just... That's the system, and we're gonna trust the system. And that should have got me in there. Right? And not touch my entry. Well, if that is the case, that's disappointing that it somehow did not fill me. Because that's a perfect entry at this moment. That's kind of a bummer. I guess I just have to market X here because limit doesn't seem to work for me. Literally just touched my entry and didn't give it to me. And now we're up 20 points already. That's frustrating. I'm not going to let it get to me. Perhaps we get another opportunity, but that is frustrating that that would have been absolutely perfect entry, and it didn't give it to me. So, womp womp, right? Woe is me. It is frustrating, though. I'm not going to pretend I'm not frustrated by that.
Taking a step out from my comfort zone. Hope it works out. I hope then you'll know.
That was beautiful. I really... I really do wish I got in on that. And I guess I just have to buy in when it gets close to my entry. I thought I could be a little precise, but I missed it. I won't lie, I'm pretty frustrated. I mean, it is what it is. It's just, that was a nice trade, and I tried to enter, it didn't work. What a bum dog millionaire. Maybe it's not gonna work, you know? Maybe it's a blessing. I guess I should adjust that back to the correct size. Check out my Discover Weekly on Spotify here and see if it gives me any juice. Now that 5 minutes not really convincing me too much. The S is looking pretty strong. Yeah, I think it still goes, especially if the S starts to pick up. That is very frustrating, I'm not gonna lie. That trade worked out perfect. God damn it! You fucking kidding me? How did that not give me my entry, man? Literally touched it. Now we're making new all-time highs. Sick. Hopefully it gives another entry, because that's pretty shitty that it somehow did not fill me. Guess I just gotta, I don't know, not use the limit orders because they don't work apparently. Nice close higher on the 5 minute. God, that's disgusting. I literally would have had the perfect entry. Already taken 30 points of profit, and then had or excuse me, 20 points? No. Yeah, 20 points of profit. Never mind. not that great. But now it's already at 30 points of profit, I suppose, so. I don't mind missing trades, but that's kind of unfortunate because that was like I purposefully was trying to enter that and it just didn't. Whatever, fuck it. Can't go back. ES doesn't convince me as much. It looks kind of weak and sloppy in here. When NQ's breaking higher, it's doing whatever this is. Yeah. Really glad I didn't get in on that. That would have sucked, huh? That would have been a bummer to be in on this right now. Up, 50 points would suck. I would hate that. Really glad I'm not in on that trade right now. Oh yes, it's catching up. Everything's pumping. God, I can't believe that. I have a strong feeling I'm not going to get an entry today. I missed my one opportunity and it's somehow just going to not give me anything. Feels like one of those days. Feels like one of those days. They gave the move and now we'll like chop around and be dumb. It's kind of how I'm expecting things to work here. I don't want it to be that way, but what it feels like, right? It's somehow, I don't know. I need to have my entry like 10 points above where I want it to actually enter, or else it won't fill me, apparently. What I've learned. We got the nice 5-minute close, so it'd be nice on the 5-minute if we got a little pullback into this area. Come on. I'm just on enter if it gets in where I want it. I'm not playing with a limit order, but I mean, it's probably going to rip and just leave me in the dust. And I would have had an absolute sniper entry once again. I guess if I'm going to try a limit order, I just need to sacrifice like 2 points above where I want to actually enter, or below, depending on what I'm entering. Because that's frustrating. Would have been up 52 points, 53 points, with no drawdown. This is extremely painful. I have work the next couple days, so I can't trade. Sometimes I hate trading so much. It's not even trading though. That did exactly what I wanted. It's literally just trade of 8 fucking blows.
North Carolina, bad motherfucker there for sure. Rolling down a back road in the back of my head, and all these rats I wrote. Every day a new adventure, pushing my pencil, pushing my pen, pushing my shitty good for nothing. Run down Grand Cherokee down to its limits. I was outside trying to slide, give me some cut up a studio time. Back when the cookout tray was like pocket chain, we get right for $5.99. And I got a show downtown, dog slide, turn up the spot, hop in the ride. Yeah, it's a 5-seater, but it's 8 motherfuckers in here, we gon' fly. Right down College Road, it's like 2 in the morning. My mama like, where's you at? You know it's hard to sleep when I know that one of my babies at home, that's a fact. I was like a baby bird trying to hop out the nest before I had all of my wings. But you couldn't tell me a thing, I'm ready for this, and if not, it ain't number the thing, cause we gon' figure it out. Shit, I always figure it out. Shit, I always know what the fuck I got going on until I fall in my mouth. But if this shit here don't work out, then I might burn out. It really is the only thing that make me happy to get out of bed in the morning. I'm going hard as everything, cause comparison, the thief of joy, I'm happy than a bitch. I can't see nobody turn my vision. I can't worry about what another motherfucker got going on. Look, I can't worry about what a big head bitch got going on. It's a cold world, legs heavy. I'm on one, get ready, throw your hood up. Then hop in a bike Chevy, throw some D's on me. Then hop in, get ready. It's a cold world, legs heavy. I'm on one.
All right.
Southern barefooted, running concrete kicker. I've been kicking rap since way back on the school grounds, had vision. I ain't running back to my old ways, I'm on 10 toes, on busy. You better rock out or kick rocks, hold is my life, this how I'm living. Yeah, let go get it, D4 tripping. Y'all don't see me, y'all don't listen, dog, my CD got a gold mine up in it. I'm him, I'm lifting my whole city up, my little Wilmington, I'm on ship, y'all trying to get it. I might just ski mask, black gat, kicked on my way into one of these buildings. Like y'all gon' listen to me, let me get it, y'all pay me that fee. I'ma take that bread and give it to the school, drive like power to people. Nah, this shit here don't work out, let's rush the courthouse and take it back for ourselves. This, that liberation music, wanna ever do it, come this way and find out, bitch. Comparison, the thief of joy, I'm happy than a bitch. I can't see nobody turn my vision. I can't worry about what another motherfucker got going on. Look, I can't worry about what a big head bitch got going on. It's a cold world, legs heavy. I'm on one, get ready, throw your hood up. Then hop in a bike Chevy, throw some D's on me. Then hop in, get ready. It's a cold world, legs heavy. I'm on one, get ready, throw your hood up. Then hop in a bike Chevy, throw some D's on me. Then hop in, get ready.
Well, this is getting pretty, getting a little questionable here. I'd like to see us make a nice move to the upside. Seems to be kind of struggling instead, which is not what I want to see. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out here. Got awfully close. You see some sort of move to the upside. Doesn't look like we're gonna get it. Dang, man. That's pretty frustrating. I missed a perfect trade on NQ, and it looks like I'm gonna get stopped out on ES. Not yet. You know, things could actually go our way. That close underneath is not very good for me, though. That's not good for me. I need to see a push to the upside, or else we are kind of doomed here. All of a sudden, there's no volume, apparently. There we go. Give me some strength, please. What's NQ doing? What's NQ doing? Looks like it's kind of starting to pull. Alright, yes. Give me reason. Give me reason to stay, baby girl. Appreciate it very much. Doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. Unless we can finish this 2 minute way stronger. It's not a great sign unless we can pump here, but huh? That's better. Keep going. Keep going. Yes. Strong close, please. Doesn't look like we're gonna get it. I think Q's moving higher. I guess I bet on the wrong horse. ES is not doing so hot. And then Q just making new highs. Pretty much. Oh, I guess I put my bet on the wrong horse today. Didn't try to. I tried to pick the winning horse and it didn't let me. And now we are here. Now we're here doing this. Experiencing NQ pop off while ES is weak. Frustrating, very frustrating. Not happy about it at all. Very, very, very frustrating. Pretty upset, honestly, if I'm being transparent, that I somehow just got completely fucked by NQ. Or Tradeovate, whoever you want to blame for not being able to enter a trade when I tried to. And then watching it go for 70 points straight up. No drawdown. Very cool. Very, very cool. Yeah, ES looks absolutely garbage now. Garbage, garbage, garbage. Trash. Alright, well. We'll look for another opportunity. It's a small loss.
fried like takoyaki. I'm fine, back the fuck off me. I'm too deep, I care too much. Like white people with golfers since the peak of pink.
I'm gonna try it.
It's far-fetched, even farther on this balcony. Never met my idols cause they either dead or vacant. You never meet your heroes cause they all
I'll put it right below here.
morbid fascination. Smoking weed in Pasadena. Only pass a day with. I don't look fine, I swear I feel it. Never needed much, just light blue spirits. Used to take chops, now popping in Japan. Took a pill, waking up in Amsterdam. Went
We'll see if we get a move higher here on NQ, or if we continue to pull back as ES has.
noted all this work and will be worth it in the end. I'm fluent in the ways people move and shimmy in.
Kind of looking like we're gonna get a little bit.
I don't lift a finger if my heart's not in it. Dinner in Tribeca, left a healthy tip in digits for the waitress with the nose ring. Sorry, I'm a dick, I've been drinking.
Alright, well, we'll see how this goes. It's holding up better than ES, but I am concerned. Because I got burnt on this move exactly on ES. The NQ's been stronger. We'll see. It doesn't feel good though. I'm already suspecting that we're gonna get stopped out here as well. And it looks like we are. Well, I don't really know what to say. I guess I'm done. That sucks. What should have been a nice green day is now a red. Unless we get saved here, but I don't see that likely happening. This is the old classic pump back up to your entry and then drop and stop me out. So do I take it break even or do I hold waiting for help? There's the pump back to my entry. Offering me a consolation of break even. Do I take it? So far I don't. Now it's gonna... Is it gonna hold or is it gonna be weak? Not a bad 15-minute, honestly. That 15-minute close was pretty nice. And that 5-minute doesn't look bad either. If we can avoid moving lower and we can hold on here, that would be great. It looks better than ES did, or does. ES is pumping, so maybe we get a little carry through. Doesn't look good. Unless we get some carry through here. Come on. But I want to see some momentum. We're not really seeing that. The volume's pretty low as well. Honestly, a really solid close on 2-minute. I'm fine with that. We closed back above the EMA. Closed pretty bullish. I don't mind that. Yes, still looking strong. Yes, got that little pumpernickel. I don't know. Doesn't look like we're gonna get it. The way the momentum has just vanished. It was so strong. I guess we're just in a little period of consolidation. I just hope it doesn't stop me out before we get that continuation if we do.
Just so I don't feel alone, yeah. I burn that spliff, I take that sip so I don't feel alone, yeah. When I'm right here, it just feels like I'm where I belong, yeah.
Not good.
We fall right back like where did we go wrong, yeah. Where did we go? Man, I swear to God that I just can't stay away. Cause you got that vibe when you slide late nights like you just might save my day. And it blows my heart, but I realize deep down that this ain't okay. For one more time, make me feel alive, make me feel great today. You better make me feel great today. It's been a few years and we rockin' still, but we've been rolling on rocky wheels. My heart been guarded with armor and shields, but all of these emotions been a lot to deal. I wish I could just flip a switch and go numb, but I never been the type to be popping pills.
Extremely close to stop me out. I'm expecting it at this point. I'd love it if we held here, but that close below makes me feel like it's very unlikely. I'd need it to go like straight up. That hasn't been my case today. Yeah, momentum seems to have died off significantly. It's really odd. Died out really quick. We're not even like an hour into the day. Maybe I should have taken that break-even consolation they gave me. I almost called it. I did call it. It shows you it's not going to work, then it goes back up to your entry, gives you a little chance to exit break-even, and you either take it or you stay in your trade, and then it's going to get hit my stop. I would love to be wrong here. I'd love for it to go up and make money on this trade, but it seems very unlikely here. Feels very unlikely. Yeah, ES is kind of weak as well. Feels like pullback is kind of inevitable here. Here it comes. There it is. All right. Really frustrating day. Extremely frustrating. I tried to get into a trade right here, and my limit order didn't fill, and then it ran like 70 points, and then I tried to enter here, and it stopped me out, and then I had an entry on ES as well when we pulled back right here, and it stopped me out. So 2 losses on a day that should have been a win. We're down 300. That's kind of insane. What did that ES loss be? 160. Neither loss was very big, but I suppose both of them together about 300. Yeah, pretty. I guess it's a Monday, but momentum died out really fast. I mean, we're not even an hour into the day. We had a nice run up. We got a pullback, and then it just, I don't know, volume just fell off a cliff. So, I don't know. It does suck because yeah, whatever. Water under the bridge, right? But I tried to enter here and my limit order just didn't fill, and that would have been a really nice trade. And instead of having a big winning day, it's a big not a big losing day, but it's a losing day, larger than usual because I took 2 losses. The reason why I took the second trade on NQ is because NQ is relatively a lot stronger than ES, and once I got stopped out on ES, NQ presented the same setup. So maybe I could have seen that as overall market weakness, that NQ would kind of do the same thing, but I didn't expect the momentum to die so fast. Alright, that's it, I guess. I can't trade the next couple days. The work. That's a shitty way to start the week, and it frustrates me a lot, I'm not gonna lie to you.